Welcome to the channel. We've got a special NFT project to talk about today, and it's called Fishmans Laboratory. And this is a unique NFT collection of 9,999 fishes which are trying to escape Dr. Fisherman's evil plans. But before we actually go into the video, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right in the video. The website is called fishmanslaboratory.io. I'm going to put the link of that in the description below, and the first impression that you get is absolutely brilliant. They're minting and they're making fishes, and that is what makes it so amazing. Now you can start minting them, which is coming up right now. They're available on Discord, they're available on Instagram, they're available on Twitter, and they're available on Opensea as well, which I'm going to show you in a second. Before we do that, I'm going to go and give you the breakdown. What is the about is? What is the main reason behind these absolutely interesting little fishes? The cautiousness is a security breach, and where there are 9,999 fishes which are trying to escape Dr. Fisherman's evil plans, and they're headed towards the open sea. And obviously I love the combination of the open sea and the fishes and bringing that together. With the fishes comes their companions, 2,122 unique companions to be minted on the Fishmarket. Fishmans Laboratory is a project brought to you by the team and architects, designers, and NFT enthusiasts breaching the gates of this massive Web3 universe, and we shall say they are the metaverse. So there are 9,999 fishes with their 2,122 fishy companions, with a total of 12,121 NFTs which are available for minting. And obviously there is a huge following for them right now, so you want to get your hands on any of these NFTs, you gotta mark down the date because they're coming and they're gonna go really quick. With the first phase in the roadmap, with the origins of gathering the Fishmans of the deep dives and the new adventures, and building a strong community and releasing the 9,999 fishes into the open sea. With the second phase, with the gratitude, with the commercial copyrights to all the holders, and randomized monthly airdrops from the selected NFT projects, and a community voted charity for the Arctic life. With a Shark Tank fund, a Web3 project decided by the community, and you can sense the strategy they're implementing is actually engaging the community to make sure their NFT holders, their communities stays intact. That is a successful strategy that they tend to have. I've done a lot of NFT reviews and a lot of videos on play to earn games, and trust me when I say I personally feel that this NFT has got what it takes to make it really big. And if you've missed the train for the other NFTs that have made it big in the open sea, this is an NFT you gotta look out for. With the third phase, with the initiation of the AR integration for a mixed reality experience and unlocking the 3D collectibles, they're gonna be available online and offline for holders with exclusive events. And the fifth phase is the execution. With the Fishmarket, the marketplace is used to trade physical and virtual FML assets. And tuna, the currency for the fish market, is going to be available, and daily yields is going to be upon staking and used to mint the champions. And the combination of the tuna and the open sea and the fishes and the way they've brought it together is absolutely brilliant. And if you look at the NFTs and you just have a glance at them, you can sense the artistic approach that they've taken into developing these unique NFTs, and I feel they're cute. They meet the message and they're gonna make it big. And what is the supply? Like I mentioned before, there are 9,999 fishes with 2,112 companions. They're on which blockchain? They're available on Ethereum blockchain. And what will be the mint price? A massive question is gonna be 0.121 Ethereum, and that is the cheeky side of these guys. And when is it going to be minted? That is to be released, but guys, it is very soon, so you gotta stay tuned for it because they're gonna come really quick and they're gonna go really fast as well. And what is the perks? 555 OGs can be minted by 2 fishes at launch and 1 companion at the execution phase, and 2,929 WLs can be minted by 2 fishes. And the creators are the ones that you gotta look out for, because these individuals have got the experience. They've been in the NFT space for a long time. They understand what they need to do and what strategy they need to put to make an NFT successful. The founder, the community lead, and the architect and the 3D artist and a Web3 nerd himself is available on Twitter. You can check him out. The Chapa Papa is over there, and the Orange, the co-founder, is the design and technical lead, is also available, and his Twitter is also available. So go check them out. You can contact them at contact contact@fishmanslaboratory.io. You can always mention the educational network where you're finding all this information. And do not forget to actually sign up and follow them on Discord, on Instagram, and on Twitter. I'm going to show you their Twitter handle right now. The Twitter handle is absolutely brilliant. They have 98,800 followers. I'm going to increase that by 1 right now. And obviously the engagement that you tend to find on the Twitter shows you how many people are actually interested in getting this particular NFT. And obviously any NFT that has this kind of engagement with their users, this kind of engagement and activeness on their Twitter, they tend to understand how they need to market and how they need to bring that information to the end users. And these guys have understood that methodology. They have given you information regarding this, and I personally feel that this particular NFT has got what it takes to blow any other NFT out of the water. The artistic approach that they have is quite unique, and that is why I'm going to show you their Instagram. Their Instagram is available on their website as well, fishmanslaboratory.io. You can go to the description of this video on the educational network and check it out. If you're watching it on Facebook, you can go to our Facebook page and check it out. I'm going to put the Instagram link for it as well in the description. You can click over here and then you go to their Instagram, and the Instagram has 1,999 followers, and I'm going to increase it and get them to 2,000 followers. So guys, anyone watching Fishman Labs, well, we are the 2,000th users on your Instagram. And if you just have a glance at how beautiful and amazing the way they have developed their NFT is, and that is what makes it so unique, the amount of artistic approach that they've brought into developing this NFT. And if you just have a look at this particular NFT, this is a fish which is made of French fries and is holding a glass of Coke as well, or Pepsi, God knows what it is. But obviously this really gives you that McDonald's sort of a twist and turn to it. So owning this particular NFT might be something absolutely brilliant. It might be used by McDonald's at some time. You never know. But if you own this NFT, that would mean that this is going to go quite up. So guys, if you're looking for an NFT that has got the potential to turn this NFT space around, to make waves in this NFT space, this is that particular NFT. This has got that potential. This has got this artistic side to it. And this is going to be great as far as it goes from my experience. So guys, if you got any questions whatsoever, you can drop me a WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is available in the About section of my channel, The Educational Network. If you want to drop me a message on the YouTube, you can comment in the section below and drop me a message. If there's any question whatsoever, you can ask me. And if you feel that I should do a review of any particular NFT, do let me know. I'll put it on the list for my next to do videos for NFTs and play to earn. If you've not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Until my next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.